How to earn money on Kick. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll discuss all of the methods on how you can earn money from Kick. So without further delay, let's begin the video. First of all, go to kick.com and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, tap on your avatar on the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings. Now tap on the option achievements on the top left side of your screen. And then, as you can see, there are various ways on how you can earn money from Kick. So the first one is definitely through subscriptions. So to enable subscriptions, you'll have to meet two requirements. So the requirements are reach a total of 75 followers and stream for a total of 5 hours. Now once you've completed both of them, you can enable subscriptions on Kick. And let me also tell you the stats of how much you will earn if you enable subscriptions. So if you were to stream on Twitch, you would get around $250 for every 100 subs, but in case of Kick it's way higher than that. So on average you will gain around $474 for every 100 subs you get on Kick. So that is one way on how you can earn money from Kick. Now the second method to earn money is simply becoming a partner with Kick. Now to become a partner with Kick, you'll have to meet following requirements, such as your account must have a confirmed phone number, you must have two-factor authentication enabled on your account. You must reach a total of 20 subscribers in the last 30 days. And remember, gifted subs are not included. You must reach an average of 75 viewers in the last 30 days. You must stream for a total of 12 days in the last 30 days. Similarly, you'll have to stream for a total of 30 hours in the last 30 days. And you also must have 300 unique chatters in the last 30 days. Now, once you've reached all of these qualifications over here, simply send an email to this email address right here, which is partners@kick.com, and then you'll have successfully partnered up with Kick. Now that is another way on how you can earn money from Kick. Now the third and final way on how you can earn money from Kick is the much discussed hourly ways on Kick. So rumors have it that Kick will pay around $16 an hour to streamers who broadcast live on its platform. So this is not 100% confirmed, so it may be a feature in the near future, so keep your eyes on it. Now you can read various articles on this topic. So a rate of $16 per hour to be paid by Kick to talent on a weekly basis, and the conditions are being awake and interacting with the chat. That is, it will not serve to stream sleeping. So if you simply turn on your stream and then sleep, you won't get the hourly pay. You must stream for a minimum of 4 hours a day and 30 days a month, and you must be of legal age in your country. So it may vary from 16, 18, 21 depending upon your country. So, and finally, let your face always be seen on the webcam. So you cannot simply start your stream and then go out and do other stuff. You must be on camera for at least 4 hours a day for 30 days a month, and only then, if the feature comes out, you will be able to earn $16 an hour on Kick. So that is basically the ways on how you can earn money from Kick. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.